All right, guys, so when the iPhone 16 Pro Max first came out, I did the screen protector as the very first one for the phone. And it got some comments, and a lot of the comments were saying that, hey, a little bit of the borders cover some of the screen real estate. Well, a lot of people were saying that, so the company ended up seeing that, and they designed an all-new one that's 0.1 millimeters thinner, the bezel all the way around the phone, and that's supposed to help with it taking up some of that screen real estate. And of course, we are talking about the new FLOLAB OneTime Pro for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to FLOLAB for sending this out to me to review for you guys. The price on this is $39.95. Links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourself. And don't forget, I do have a discount code for FLOLAB. You can use that. I'll leave that right here. Use code Brian10 to save 10% off of your entire purchase at FLOLAB. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, before we install the screen protector, let me actually bring over my 16 Pro Max here. And what we can see right here is that some of the borders are covered right there on all four corners. I'm hoping that picks up on camera right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and actually turn the phone off, and we'll install the new one and see, is that still an issue or not? Did they fix it? Now I'm gonna fast forward through some of these parts just to make the video a little bit shorter, so just bear with me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments below, but I will show you how to install it in a second. Now, while my phone is turning off and everything, let's take a look at the packaging. Of course, you're gonna get a picture of your phone and the screen protector right there. You can scan this QR code here in order to get a little bit of information more there. It is anti-reflective and polar spectra, so an anti-rainbow effect. And then you get some information on the back. Infinity Edge design, that same polar spectra, smudge resistant, precision touch and ultra high clarity, scratch protection, and manufactured through science. Now you do get FLOLAB's limited lifetime warranty. So if anything happens to this screen protector, if it breaks, whatever, you just go ahead and get in touch with FLOLAB and they'll send you a brand new one completely for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. So even though you're spending $40 or maybe a little bit less if you use my discount code on the screen protector, it comes with that lifetime warranty, so you'll be good to go if you were to break it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now I'm gonna bring over my knife here. Let's go ahead and crack that open and take a look. It should all be pretty much the same exact thing. So we do get our installation kit right here, as well as a squeegee. Now, I have a different squeegee that I'm actually gonna use instead of this one, but you can use this squeegee if you'd like. And in here, you're gonna get some more installation material. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, you are gonna wanna keep this installation tray because when your replacements come, if you order one, you're gonna need this tray to replace it. So let's still move that back over there. And this thing is going to be a rainbow checker. So basically you can hover it over the screen and make sure that there are no rainbow effects after the screen protector is installed. So that's nice to see there. We are gonna get our wet wipe. We're gonna get a microfiber cleaning cloth, a manual here that you guys can look through to install for yourself, and of course that full-size sticker. I love to see that from companies. I really want to see more companies have the full-size sticker because you just put it one time over your screen, and for the most part, you are good to go there. You may just have to touch it up a little bit. But anyways, that's all we get. Let's go ahead and install it. Now we'll just move all this stuff here, get everything that we need. So go ahead and move everything just kind of step by step. All right, so the phone is completely off. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and wipe this down with the wet wipe. All right, so now that that is wiped, let's go ahead and take our microfiber cleaning cloth. We'll dry this off real good. All right, now that that is dry, let's go ahead and take the dust removal sticker. And what we're gonna do is just peel one end of it up right here. Let's get that, there we go. All right, and just kind of carefully put that on here, pull it back, and there we go. So let's go ahead and kind of just press that down here. Get all the dust particles off of the screen and everything like that. And then right now, let's just go ahead and get everything ready here. So what we're gonna do is, this is actually the top right there. So we're gonna flip it like this, and I'm gonna take this off, make sure there's no dust on here, take that, put it on, and we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and look. Just double check one more time to make sure you have no extra dust anywhere. All right, and now we're just gonna quickly go ahead and take this, plop it right over top of the phone. Let's make sure that that is on there nice. There we go. All right, everything is on there correctly. So let's just set this down here. And what we're gonna do is we're going to peel this piece off. Then we're gonna wait about 20 seconds and see how the screen protector looks. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. And there we go. Now it's going to adhere to the phone itself. We'll go ahead and put these little tabs down right there. I guess maybe do that first, but either way, it really shouldn't matter. Just give it a little bit of a swipe right there. Make sure everything is going to stick good. And let's wait that 20 seconds and we'll be right back. All right, so it's been about 20 seconds and let's go ahead and check out how the screen protector looks. So I still have the installation frame right here. What we're gonna do is just pick it up. Just be careful, do it nice and easy. You may wanna just stick your hand in here real quick and just kind of do it just like that. Now, don't let these bubbles scare you. As long as there's no dust under them, you will be fine. This is just from that fresh installation. So I'm gonna set this back here. And like I said, there is that squeegee included here, but I'm gonna just use one that I find just works a little bit better. So what we're gonna do is just get these bubbles out of here real quick. We'll come back and take a look. Now, I just wanted to set this microfiber cleaning cloth here down just because I'm pressing it, kind of sliding it around. I don't want the back of the phone to get anything with the wood surface or anything like that. I don't think it'll scratch it up, but just to be careful. And just like that, we have a bubble-free installation. Now, like I said, just be patient, get those bubbles out with your microfiber cleaning cloth and with your squeegee, and you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the phone on, open the camera, and we'll see how those bezels look. All right, so we are back. I do have the screen protector on here. I actually opened the camera already and looked for myself, and it is definitely better. I'm hoping it picks it up, but if you guys can see right there, here, and here, I'm really hoping you can see that. It is fixed. So the borders around this screen protector are going to be 0.1 millimeters thinner than the previous version. So that is going to help us out with that issue that it had before. Now I wanted to just take my hand and put it right here just so maybe we can see it a little bit better. So there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really hoping the camera picks that up. But they did end up fixing this, so I really still recommend this screen protector. I recommended it before, but now especially that FLOLAB has fixed it, you're getting such a great screen protector. I know there are some that are much cheaper online and things like that, but hear me out. You are getting an anti-reflective coating, which is something that almost no other screen protectors, at least not a lot that I've seen, have that. You're getting great quality, anti-rainbow, anti-smudge. Now, of course, it's glass. All glass is going to smudge a little bit, but this does have a little bit of coating on it to help from that. And just the anti-reflectiveness of it really sets it off for me. This is my absolute favorite screen protector. No matter how many other screen protectors I have here, this is the one that lives on my phone. So absolutely, I recommend the FLOLAB OneTime Pro tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below about the updated version. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. I know you definitely let me know last time. Can't wait to hear it this time. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you guys. And if you want to see my original review and installation of the first FLOLAB OneTime Pro, I'll leave that right here. If you guys really don't care for it and want to see another good screen protector that I can recommend myself as well, I'll leave that right there.